Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have the second part of the eyeshadow for brown eyes, and this time I'm going to be doing this kind of purple look again using the Morphe 35M palette. I have already done a green look for brown eyes, and if you haven't seen it, I will leave it linked at the end of the video. But without any further ado, let me show you how I got this look. Okay, so to start this look, I've already done my brows off camera, and I'm going to prime my lids with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. So first of all, I want to apologize if you are a recurring subscriber. I skipped Saturday's video and I've also skipped Monday's video. Truth is, I haven't been feeling very well mentally and I really didn't feel like filming. And I actually was not very sure of what video I wanted to film today, but I just guessed I would do the second part of my eyeshadow looks for brown eyes. And as I mentioned on the first part of the video, I'm using the Morphe 35M. So for this second look, I'm going to do something purple, and actually this doesn't have a lot of purple tones, but I definitely think this palette is actually pretty amazing for brown eyes. I definitely love the greens and all the oranges, and today I think I'm going to stick with this side. But not to go straight away with purple, I think I'm going to take this shade to do a sort of transition. This one is called Play It Cool. It's kind of a light beigey color. And for this look, I think I won't be doing it very winged out like the green look. I think I'll do more rounded shape. So this just kind of gives a little bit of dimension to the eyes, and it will also help to blend the next colors. And to start building up my crease, I'm going to take this it's kind of a reddish purple that is called FOTD, and I'm taking this on my crease. And this is actually a little bit more on the red side, so I'm just using a little bit. Okay, now to really start packing on the purple, I'm going to take this shade that is called Power Slayer. I definitely feel like this palette is very, very autumnal, because even the purples feel a little bit more sort of muted. Okay, and to give it more depth and make it even more purple, I'm going to take this very dark one called Transformer, and I'm taking it mostly on the outer corner. So this is looking a little bit more plummy than I thought, but definitely the shimmer will make it a lot more purple. And I think I'm going to take this one that is called Grape Expectations, and I'm going to take it all over the lid with just a little bit of setting spray. And I'm just taking the brush I used for the Power Slayer shade with nothing more on it, just to blend this edge of the shimmer. And I actually think this looks better without eyeliner. So on my lashes, I'm using the NYX On The Rise mascara. And I'm just going to do the rest of my face to come back and do the lower lash line. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is all done, and now just to do the lower lash line, I was thinking I'm going to take this shade close to my lashes and then I'm going to blend it with the first shade I used on top. And on my inner corner, I'm just going to take the same shade I used on the green video, that is this one. It's kind of the only inner corner highlight shade that this palette has, but overall just kind of goes well with everything. So I just used the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline, and I'm taking again the mascara. This mascara is actually really nice. Okay, and this is the finished look. I'm wearing the Revolution Pout Bomb gloss in the shade Sauce. I actually think it goes really nice with the eye look. And let me give you a close-up. So this is how the eye look turned out, and I was thinking about doing something a little bit more purple, but this palette does have more kind of a plummy tones, but I actually think this sort of purple for fall is actually really good. And the shimmer on the lid really pulls it a little bit more towards the purple side. So you do have some different options. I think the purple makes the brown eyes stand out in a very different way compared to the green. And with the green look, I did something more sharp and winged out. And this one, I did it sort of in a very more rounded shape. And it was actually quite simple to do. So yeah, if you liked this look, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I think it kind of shows through a little bit that I'm not exactly 100%, but I promise that I'm going to try and sort things out. I might have to reduce the amount of videos I've been doing because, for those of you that don't know, I actually have a full-time job apart from YouTube, so it has been a little bit too much, but I've also been having a lot of fun doing YouTube, so I want to keep it up. And yeah, again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, it helps me a lot, and it also helps me a lot if you haven't already, that you would subscribe to my channel for new videos like this one, hopefully every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. And I'll also leave on the side the green video, and that is everything for this one. Thank you so much for watching.